Now, there are two forms of evaluation. We have the written evaluation and the verbal evaluation. Now, the verbal evaluation occurs when a teacher calls a student and asks questions orally, while the written form of evaluation comes in when the teacher administers questions in form of a test or examination. Now, the two forms of evaluation can help the teacher ascertain the level of a student's progress in academics. But beyond these traditional tools of evaluation, there is what is called observation. Now, in observation, the teacher monitors or takes note of what the student does in class as well as outside the class. Now, in the classroom, the teacher observes how the student performs during group work, how he or she was able to relate with other students. The teacher also observes how the student carry out some class activities, and he takes note of it. And then outside the classroom, the teacher observes how the student relate with other students in the environment. So this aspect of observation focuses on a child's social life. So at the end of the day, the person observing comes out with his findings and is able to analyze and have a full understanding of that particular child. Now, I think that observation is the best form of evaluation because the child that the teacher is monitoring may not even know that is being observed or is being assessed. So he goes about his or her business normally and naturally. So there is no pretense, there is no tension, unlike the traditional tools where sometimes if the child is under pressure, he may not be able to answer questions very well. In observation, the child does not know, so the teacher observes the child. The true picture of the child comes out better when the teacher observes him or her without the child knowing. So I think that the best way, or one of the ways that teachers can evaluate their students, is to observe them. Observation gives the teacher a true picture of the student that they want to study. So teachers, let's go for observation.